Hello, my name is Hannah Carter, and this is my final presentation project for CWID 101 with Professor Kim Sheffer. My topic is behaviors to support education outside of the classroom, this meaning everything that you do outside of schoolwork or just classes in general that help you improve your scores, your health, in and outside of the classroom. One of these behaviors being getting enough rest. Having a lack of sleep, not getting enough rest, can mess up your ability to learn, your listening skills, your concentration, and problem-solving skills, which leads to lower test scores and not being able to focus during class. Some of the benefits for getting enough rest are being able to feel awake and alert, improving those test scores, better memorization skills, and you'll feel less stressed. Another topic that is a behavior to help you in school is your nutrition and exercise. Your physical activity improves your mental performance and brain function, so getting a little bit of exercise every day is going to help you perform better in school. Healthy eating is going to assist in the improvement of your cognitive processes, which is pretty much just your brain, how you're processing things in class when you're learning. Allowing for exercise between study time allows for better focus and attention span, so it's very important. Some of us have very small attention spans, and it's a hard thing to get away from, so getting a little exercise in between when you're studying will help you better focus and stay on task. Another behavior is participating in extracurricular activities, whether it be chess club, band, soccer, robotics club, anything along the lines of that. This can help with your time management, being able to organize your schedule around school and clubs and sports. Also an opportunity to meet people with similar interests, which makes it easier for school if you have people that you know that can help you with study groups. And I know, being in sports my whole life, people will push you to do better, and that also helps improve grades. Another thing is your self-esteem is going to rise. Having all these people around you cheering you on to do better also assists with professional development and social skills. Social skills is a very important part of school. Being able to talk to other people and present in front of people is a very large part of being in college, so social skills will definitely help. In conclusion, all these behaviors that help support education outside the classroom is getting enough sleep, focusing on good nutrition, and exercising a little bit every day or every other day, and then your extracurricular activities. Very important to stay up on those and just to do your best in school. And that's all. Thank you for watching.